Welcome to Globe Shop. This compact 10 kilograms package contains the Da Vinci Globe Bar from Zoffoli. Watch the unboxing and assembly in fast forward. The assembly is supported by the illustrated instructions. It takes about 15 minutes. Make sure you have a screwdriver to hand. You can view the map image from the 18th century in our online shop www.globen.shop. Our rotating map animation shows all the details of the beautiful historical earth-colored cartography. The Da Vinci Globe Bar is made to a high standard, has a pleasant color scheme and is an eye-catcher in any room.